Things we need to create: RJ45 Ethernet cable, UTP cable, wire stripper, cable tester, crimping tool, RJ45. Step 1. Strip your cable. Rotate slowly. We will avoid injuring small wires. Step 2. Untwist the twisted pair wires. For the next step, I'll be making a straight-through cable which has both ends of the cable with the same alignment of wires. Step 3. Arrange the untwisted pair in color order. Step 4. Cut the extra wire. Step 5. Push the remaining wires into the RJ45 head. Step 7. Push the head into the open space of the crimping tool and squeeze it closed, hard. And repeat what you did on the other side. And now test it if it's working using cable tester.